ZBCN coin. Why I will not be surprised to see a 10x for ZBCN in the next couple of weeks, couple of months time from here. In this video, we're going to talk about the ZBCN price action. We start with the big picture. We go into the smaller picture. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to this channel if you're a Zebecian, because we're going to cover ZBCN now till forever, man. And yeah, smash a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Let's dive into the video. Look, this is ZBCN. Okay, you can see big picture. We just retest the accumulation range. That was the accumulation range. In case you don't know, that was the accumulation range. You just retested. Okay, it's going to retest. And actually, you can see on the 10-day, look at the 10-day hammer here. Look at this beautiful hammer. This candle tells me the bottom is in. This candle is telling me the bottom is in. Obviously, it can come down, sweep it for a moment, and then rebound. But you can see the buyers came in here and grabbed the entire supply on the, the 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, all this area of price. And, it just bounced immediately, very, very fast bounce, snap back bounce, shows high demand for ZBCN. And it's actually made a bullish retest of the prior resistance. Okay, flip it to support. That's a very, very bullish behavior. Extremely bullish behavior. That's why I love ZBCN. Now, again, you have now a breakout. Again, looks like a breakout of a falling wedge. All right, this whole thing is a nice falling wedge. You can even call it a big bull flag, and that was the pole. Could be, but let's talk about the falling wedge. Okay, it's a falling wedge from May, pretty much from June, actually the entire month of June, all the way to like 9th, 8th of July. You had your breakout 2 days ago. 2 days ago, we had a breakout. Yesterday, we had a little dip. You can see here, yesterday, we had a little dip. All the trolls came screaming, yeah, you see, we told you it's gonna crash, la la la. A lot of baby boys on YouTube, man. It is filthy. But anyway, you had a rejection here. You can look at a rejection here on the 200-day, the 200 period moving averages, and we're now on the 4-hourly. So the 200 moving MA on the 4-hour. Look at the rejection. Beautiful rejection. Textbook rejection. And right now we're trying to break above it. Still cannot close above it. There is strong resistance here. And you can see how it bounced from the 50 moving average on the 4-hourly. A beautiful bounce, and hopefully it's going to hold above this line, the red line, and not drop below. But if you can squeeze here, man, that thing looking very, very beautiful. By the way, another beautiful pattern, man. ZBCN is just magnificent coin. Look at this cup and handle here. See that cup and handle here? You have your cup here. That's your cup. Call it an Aladdin lamp pattern here. And you can see that's your handle here. So you can see the handle here and the cup. It's like holding it from the profile. And I'm looking for a breakout, man. At the moment, it's struggling to break above the 37. It's struggling to break above it. We need a breakout. We need the daily candle to close like this or higher. It will be very, very good for the ZBCN bull run. And yeah, looking good, man. I'm mega bullish on ZBCN. Again, guys, remember, you have a lot of resistance, actually fresh resistance from the last sell-off here. So it might take its time. It might take its time to climb. But again, be open for a moon, and be open also for more slow upward move. Also be open for a retest of the lows. This is crypto assets. It's like it's a financial asset. They behave very wild, very wild. But again, this coin is just something different, man. And yeah, I think it's an easy 10x from here, man. Really, this is, by the way, this is not a financial advice. Just my humble opinion on this coin, on the crypto market, because you have a Bitcoin breakout now to new all-time high. You have altcoin strength signals with the Bitcoin dominance and the other dominances, of altcoins going stronger. You have many, many reasons, and ZBCN is just really looking amazing on the charts. On the charts, it look really, really amazing. And yeah, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, click the bell. Let me show you a trade we took in the community. Yesterday, we had the Nairo East breakout. Look at this, buy the break above 103. You can see the date, July 10th. Look at Nairo East, bro. It exploded to our orders. Now, this guy, we had the Nairo East. Nairo East. Look at this explosion. We bought it here on the 103 breakout. See this wick here? It exploded to all our orders. Max gained 80%. Holy mama. In a day, man, in a day. We're inviting you all, guys. If you like ZBCN, if you're a ZBCN maxi, man, we invite you to join our VIP service. This is the link. Scan the QR code. Get yourself a seat in the VIP. You're going to get all our trade alerts, all our market updates. Man, we are going to build a huge position into this ZBCN bull run, okay? As it allows us. Today we bought some. We had 2 entries. We had 2 entries on ZBCN. The next time it creates a base or a trade setup, we're going to buy more and more and more. And we collect profits along the way and keep in a core position in ZBCN. Because we are ZBCN maxis, we know, we see the potential, and we're going to keep a core position as long as it's going up. You know, obviously, if it goes down to our stops, we're going to get stopped out and look to re-enter later after the volatility relax. But we are going to have a core position on each legs of the ZBCN bull run. On each bullish wave, we're going to have a ZBCN bag and trade, a big trade it and ride it to the moon pretty much. So really, if you like ZBCN or if you like trading crypto in general, man, and you like to trade the market leaders, you like to buy breakouts, you know, you're looking for a community that will guide you with trade alerts, capital allocation, you know, where to put your stop, where to take your profit, professional crypto trading service without all the BS of the clowns in YouTube that telling you buy 60,000 coins and hold them till 2027 and get wrecked, be homeless. No, you want a trade alert service, whether market go down or up, you want trade alerts. We're going to short the market, obviously, once it's going to roll over. At the moment we're in crypto bull run, we're only long, only buying breakout. Obviously dips on some coins that we love like ZBCN. So really, if you like trading crypto, I invite you to join our VIP. By the way, if you trade with more than 6 figures, check out Elite VIP, subscribe to the Elite VIP. This is our private coaching tier where we teach serious investors how to manage their funds in the right way with managing risk. The most important is to manage risk. When you trade with a lot of capital, you have to manage risk because you cannot take a 100K position on a rubbish coin that will, chop you to pieces. You need to know what you're doing when you trade with high capital. That's why we have the elite tier. This is a crypto trading tier, personal. We get phone calls. You get unlimited access to me and to Jomo, man. This is the best tier ever. Life-changing, man. Check it out. And make sure, guys, to join our Banana Zone webinar bootcamp happening on Wednesday, the 23rd. And we're going to teach you everything you need to know about the Banana Zone, how to trade the Banana Zone, how to rotate your profits from trade to trade, how to filter the noise, how to trade this market professionally without emotions, man. You don't need the emotions. If you have emotions, you have a problem, okay? Trading should be boring and emotionless, okay? You take a trade, bam, you took your stop, you put your target, you go drinking margarita with the wife. There, you show the emotions, okay? You don't bring the emotions to the trading zone, right? Check it out. Check the Banana Zone Bootcamp. By the way, you have this coupon below. This coupon below, guys, get you 20% on all our service. And by the way, get yourself a Bitunix account. This is the best exchange. All my members are trading on Bitunix. Very, very happy. Ridiculously low fees. You can trade from the US, Canada, UK, EU, AU, everywhere, man. No KYC, no VPN. Amazing exchange. They're also giving you now USDT bonuses and iPhone gifts as well. Check it out. Link below. Get yourself an account with the link below. Thank you guys for watching. you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Cheers.